I'm here at the 2018 Sprott Natural Resources Symposium, and I am joined by Pascal Hamelin from Metanor. Pascal, great to have you here today.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Well, you have attended this conference before, and we're off to a very good start. Now, first and foremost, I understand that Metanor just announced drill results from the Berry project. That is among some of your main projects. So could you start out by telling us about these important results?
Yeah, so, well, I'll start first with Berry, where it's located. It's in northwest Quebec. It's 200 kilometers northeast from Val-d'Or. It's in a very young camp, the Urban Berry camp, and there's other players in that camp. Us, Metanor, there's Cisco Mining, and of course Bonterra. And that I'll go a little bit later why Bonterra and Metanor are now more than just friends. So the Berry deposit, it's a shear hosted system. It's gold, a little bit of silver. But it's a typical high-grade narrow vein deposit that you see very often in northwest Quebec. And we're drilling it since 2017. And the beauty with the Berry deposit is it's also a permanent site. So we, parallel to the exploration drilling that we're doing since the ongoing drilling campaign, we got a decline that we started to proceed with a bulk sample this fall. So that's in parallel of the diamond drilling that we're doing at the Berry project.
So Pascal, these high-grade results were very important for the Quebec-based company, but I do want to ask you about your other assets as well, the Bachelor Mine, as well as your recent campaign at the Moroi zone. Can you highlight those?
Yeah, the Bachelor Mine is where the mill is located. It's a 1,200 tons a day mill. And it's 110 kilometers access through gravel road from the Berry project. So it's nearby, and it's been in operation since 2012. And we back in 2016 we discovered a new zone 1 kilometer south of the Bachelor Mine. And we started the development in the spring 2017. We reached the ore zone in the spring 2018, and we're developing it right now as well and drilling it. So there's drill results that are also going to be coming. They've been coming out from Moroi and will be coming again, because this is our next major structure that we're going to be mining over at the Bachelor Mine.
And Pascal, since you mentioned structure, I do want to move on to the recent announcement that Bonterra and Metanor announced. Now,
yes.
This will be forming a Canadian exploration company. Can you tell us about the terms of this agreement?
Well, it's we entered into a binding letter of intent on June 18th. The Metanor shareholders will receive a premium of 40% over the last 30-day average. And it's going to be an exchange of shares. Each shareholder of Metanor will receive 1.6 shares of Bonterra, and Bonterra and Metanor will form one. Bonterra has a wonderful deposit 6 kilometers from Berry, the Gladiator deposit. It's high grade, similar to Berry, subvertical. It's early stage. So it's the right time to get in, because 2 years from now, that deposit will be too expensive to acquire. So right now, it's the perfect time to merge. And of course, we're going to do the engineering, we're going to do the resource, everything, but keeping in mind that Gladiator deposit could feed the Bachelor Mill as well.
And Pascal, for people in the viewing audience who are not familiar with your background, can you tell us a little bit about your role and what your background is in the industry?
Yeah. I'm a mine engineer by trade. I started my career in 1991 at Inco in Sudbury Camp. I worked at all the mines over there, and after a few loops, then I left the camp. Now I'm in Val-d'Or for the last 11 years. And I've been working with a few juniors, but I joined Metanor in 2010 to start the Bachelor Mine. We built it, we got it into commercial production, and now we're attacking the Berry project. We're going to put it in commercial production as well. Well, that's our goal. And then the Gladiator deposit. So I'm very excited with this, with what's coming down the pipeline, and I look forward for the next few months.
And Pascal, last but not least, before I let you go, there are many junior mining companies here at the conference, and there are a lot of contrarian investors as well as some interesting speakers that are presenting throughout this week. So what are some trends out there that you'll be keeping your eyes on?
To me, it's the project generator. Like the majors, the major hasn't done any discovery for the last, 5-10 years. So the juniors are doing the discovery right now. So it's going to be the deposit that are discovered in safe jurisdiction, like the States, Canada, and that's what I'm going to be looking for. American, Canadian properties with high grade, and those are where the major is going to be focusing on the next little while too. They got burnt in many other jurisdictions. So I think you're going to see a shift of the major coming back into North America.
Okay, Pascal, well, this is your second time attending the Sprott Natural Resources Symposium, so we'll see where we stand when we meet next year. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Pleasure.
It's been a pleasure.
Thank you.